Light mag. 4.0 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, 26 kilometers northwest of Hicks Bay, New Zealand, on Saturday, March 11, 2023 at 5:23 p.m. local time, according to the Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand reported. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. I felt this quake. Quakes in New Zealand, Gisborne, Bay of Plenty, Waikato. Light magnitude 4.0 earthquake at 57 kilometers depth, is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.